have a new project share for you, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Now, I want to let you know that the idea that I got for this was from a YouTube crafter named Cutesy Shelf, and I will have her link down below to the video that I saw, and hopefully you'll love what I made too. So anyway, this paper collection is Graphic 45 Raining Cats and Dogs, and you're going to see why I use this collection. So first of all, of course, it's beautiful paper, but first of all, this is what inspired me. And Cutesy Shelf had created a Hello Kitty in silhouette, and she made it into a little shaker, and I was inspired by that. So I created a Paris themed Hello Kitty, and I actually created mine in Adobe, and then of course I cut it out on my Cricut because I don't have a Silhouette. So anyway, I thought it was really fun. I think if there were things I was going to do a little bit different about this project is I would not layer the nose, because as you can see, some of these little shaker pieces got stuck in the nose, and I've like been trying to get it out, and believe you me, I made this yesterday, so the glue was perfectly dry. And then I made the actual shaker pieces today. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. And then also I created a font, Je t'aime, and I don't know why the little red piece fell off, but that was really strange. But anyway, so I thought that was really cute. And I was going to put it on the box, and then I decided not to because I just didn't want to take away from how adorable this is. So I contacted Nicole Silhouette. She's one of my favorite graphic designers, and she creates a lot of 3D projects. And I said, hey, can you make a hat box suitcase? And so I sent her an image of one, and she just did an awesome job. There actually are more pieces to this. I just didn't add it on. There's actually like a strap that can go around this as well, and then there's the little handle. I just absolutely love it, guys. Is this not too stinking cute? And so this is how it looks. I did add some little enamel dots, and then the only reason why I did that was I could have used you know, little tabs or whatever, but I messed up and put the paper on the inside first, and then I didn't want them popping out through. So anyway, I think it turned out adorable, and definitely please check out Nicole Silhouette's YouTube channel. Her Etsy shop is called Nicole Papers Crafts. This is for a digital file. Okay, there is not a die made yet. We're hoping that one of her sellers will create a die for it, but there are a lot of pieces to this, so just so you know, it would be an expensive die. And I can tell you that you can definitely make this in different sizes when you have your Silhouette file. So you could like make stacking boxes, and it would just be so precious. So anyway, thank you, Nicole, so much for designing this. And I really had a lot of fun making it, and I can't wait to make more. I'm hoping to make a bigger one. This one is actually, where I have my little ruler. Oh, there it is. Whoa, okay, sorry, hitting stuff. Okay, so this is actually 3.5 inches wide, and they're about 3 1/8 inches tall. Okay, so, and then the depth of this is 2 1/8 inches. So this is pretty tiny. I mean, this could basically be a little American Girl suitcase. I'm not even playing. You know, say you have a granddaughter or a daughter who is of school age and she just loves American Girl, then you could totally make something like this for her and she would love it. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. I will have all the links down below, and I will see you all soon. Bye.